Get ready with me to go skiing and tubing in the Poconos. I have on my first layer. This is like fleece line, leggings, and a sweater. I need my electric socks. They're battery powered. Triple AA batteries in each, so I'm gonna put these on. And I got a little pocket for the battery. First layer, and I'm not even gonna turn them on yet, cause, child. This is my second layer. It's fleece line and fleece line, so I'm about to go sit outside cause I'm gonna be hot. All right, time for the suit. This is my suit, it's so cute. And you know you gotta make sure you got these. We got hats, scarves, mitts. Got my little glasses, finna be cute. I'm already hot.
You going to take all that off?
I know. Y'all cool? Y'all good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Are y'all ready? I'm putting the suit on. Oh, all right. It's time for the boots, boots, boots. Okay.
I got a big break.
You did. This is my friend Jasmine's hats. Fresh is her brand. I have a scarf, but I'm not gonna put this on just yet because it's too hot.
Got one somewhere cold.
All right, this is the fit. Cute.
Very cute. Look at Leah.
Okay, Leah. It's giving Rich Paris on the
Hey! I'm ready to ski.
Yeah.
Let's go have fun.